Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making over a love sign that I got from Dollar Tree. This is how it will look in the end, and this is the love sign that I got from Dollar Tree, little MDF sign. So I'm going to start by covering the top of the letters in natural colored jute twine. And I also got the jute twine from the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of different love signs, but this is the one that I chose because you can either stand it up or hang it on the wall, and I think it's a good size. So this is what it looks like when the top of the letters are covered. I hadn't quite determined how I was going to go about covering the letters yet because they are attached to each other, which presents a couple of challenges. So I'm just going to start by laying down a line of hot glue at the top of the L, which is the letter I'm going to start with. And I'm just going to use that to anchor the twine as I start to wrap it around the letter. So this is the method that I'm going to use to wrap all of the letters. I do wrap around the hangers. I don't like fold them down and wrap them. So if I want to hang it on the wall, I can still hang it on the wall. And I'm going to use some red jute twine to wrap the letter O in. This is what I ended up with, and those two spots are areas that I couldn't cover with the twine. So I'm going to cover them with some of these heart picks, also from the Dollar Tree. I got these kind, which have like, I don't know what you would call it. It's not glitter. It's like these little bristles on it, sort of. And but I am going to also use a couple of glittered heart picks as well. And I'm just going to put those in place with hot glue. You'll see in the end that I use a different heart right there. And there you have it. I decided to use 2 of the glittered heart picks. And I put a heart on the top of the E, one next to the L, and this is where I put it on my mantle with some other Dollar Tree DIYs that I have done on my channel. I'll link those for you in the iCard. I think it turned out really well. It's really cute. It's even a little bit better than how I imagined it to be. So I think it turned out really well. What do you guys think? Also, something else that I hauled from the Dollar Tree that I wanted to show you guys that I did a super quick DIY on is this red glass bottle. I really, really like this bottle. And all I did with it was to put some lights in it that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and that's it. It's so beautiful. The color red is perfect, and it kind of just looks like fireflies are captured in the bottle. So that's what it looked like on the tablescape that I did. It gives off a beautiful light, and yeah, so there's the finished love sign, a glittered bristled heart attached with hot glue, and the 2 glittered hearts. So if you bought this sign from Dollar Tree and you are giving it a makeover, leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you are going to do to your sign. There's so many different things that you can do with it. but I really love this love sign. Anyway, just wanted to let you guys in on this very quick DIY. It took me a lot longer than 5 minutes to make it, but I'm happy I was able to make the video short enough for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. All the videos you could be watching on YouTube, thank you so much for spending these few moments with me. I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I would love to have you subscribe as well. Thank you guys.